Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dribbble for LinkedIn Creative Discovery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.dribbble.com and hit enter. Once the Dribbble homepage loads, look for the sign up button located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page prompting you to choose a registration method. Select the option to sign up with your email address or choose a social media account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password to secure your account. If you opted for a social media account, follow the prompts to authenticate your choice. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. You will be taken to a welcome page encouraging you to set up your profile. To enhance your profile, it is recommended to add a profile picture. Next, fill in your relevant information such as your name and a brief bio. Make sure to include your creative skills and interests to attract the right connections. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the settings to refine your privacy and notification preferences. You can now explore Dribbble to discover creative content and connect with other professionals. Return to LinkedIn and ensure your Dribbble profile link is integrated into your LinkedIn profile for better visibility. Now you are ready to leverage Dribbble for creative discovery on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.